Hello my friends and welcome. My name is Maria and today I bring you some wonderful craft ideas. Receive this message of motivation for your day. I wish you lots of health and peace. You are stronger than you think and more capable than you believe. Challenges are just stepping stones on the path to your success. Don't dwell on what went wrong yesterday. Focus on the present and give it your best. You deserve to achieve everything you dream of. Keep your faith and determination alive.